Hello viewers, this is Pratham Batra with Ritik Jha reporting from the UPS newsroom. Let's have a quick look at the headlines. A tree plantation program on Van Mahotsav was held in the school premises. An investiture ceremony was organized for the session 2022-23. The school celebrated 75th Independence Day with fervor and intensity on the theme Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The students of class 10th and 12th made the school proud by securing 100% CBSE result. Teachers' Day was solemnized with great zeal in the school. Career counseling sessions were conducted for the students in the school premises. Krishna Janmashtami was celebrated with great pomp and festivity. An inter-school volleyball tournament was held by Directorate of Education in the school premises. Multiple workshops on AI and robotics were held for the students. The school observed Hindi Saptah Samaro in its premises. A self-defense training for girls was organized in the school. Associate NCC officer Kavita Verma underwent the NCC refresher army training. CBSE arranged a workshop for the teachers on financial literacy and use of digital tools. The school conducted various activities on International Literacy Day. A skit on single-use plastic was held in the school during assembly. Rashtriya Poshan Mah was observed in the school assembly. The school organized a tree plantation program on the occasion of Van Mahotsav. The students of class 6 to 12 participated in this program. A range of 15 to 20 plants were planted in the school garden to create awareness about saving trees. Honorable Director Principal Mrs. Maya Gupta planted Belpatra plant. Vice Principal Mrs. Divya Saxena and other teachers also planted plants along with the students. Students prepared posters to raise awareness about the needs of tree plantation. This was a great initiative to make the atmosphere neat and clean. The investiture ceremony 2022-23 successfully inducted the newly elected and selected members of Universal Public Schools Prefectural Board on July 14, 2022. School Principal Ms. Monita Gopal imbibed the spirit of soaring high while administering the oath to the Prefectural Board. Badges and sashes were conferred on the newly elected Students' Council, the head boy and the head girl, the club presidents and the prefects and the house representatives by the Director Principal Ms. Maya Gupta and Principal Ms. Monita Gopal. They then congratulated the newly elected Student Council. The ceremony concluded with Principal's address where she reminded the students of all the values the school stands for and urged them to take responsibility with commitment and integrity. For news in Hindi, let's turn to Ritik Jha.
प्रगतिशील भारत की स्वतंत्रता के 75 गौरवमयी वर्षों को तथा भारत की संस्कृति के गौरवशाली इतिहास को ध्यान में रखते हुए भारत सरकार द्वारा इस वर्ष आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनाया जा रहा है। यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में भी इस अवसर पर अनेक रचनात्मक गतिविधियों का आयोजन किया गया। हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स द्वारा आयोजित कार्यशालाओं में कक्षा 6ठी से 8वीं के विद्यार्थियों को 3D मुखौटे बनाने सिखाए। कक्षा 1 से 12वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों के लिए अलग अलग स्तर की रचनात्मक गतिविधियों वाली प्रतियोगिताओं को 2 दिनों तक आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें पतंग बनाना, नृत्य तथा देशभक्ति गीतों का प्रदर्शन, राखी निर्माण, मेहंदी रचना आदि अनेक गतिविधियां भी शामिल थी। इन्हीं क्रियाओं के साथ हर घर तिरंगा अभियान के तहत विद्यालय के लगभग 102 छात्र छात्राओं ने अपने देश के सम्मान तिरंगे के प्रति लोगों में जागरूकता जगाने के लिए एक रैली निकाली, जिसमें विद्यालय की निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती माया गुप्ता, प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती मोनिता गोपाल तथा उप प्रधानाचार्य एवं अनेक शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं भी सम्मिलित हुई। एनसीसी अधिकारी एवं शिक्षिका श्रीमती कविता वर्मा ने भी विद्यार्थियों को झंडे के सहेजने के संबंध में कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट यानी नियम बताए। इसी संदर्भ में 13 अगस्त को स्वतंत्रता दिवस का समारोह मनाया गया। विद्यालय में इस अवसर पर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में पूर्वी दिल्ली के डिप्टी डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन अफसर डॉक्टर मोहम्मद जावेद कमर और प्रीत विहार थाना प्रभारी श्री हरिलाल उपस्थित हुए। अन्य विशिष्ट अतिथियों में प्रीत विहार निगम पार्षद श्रीमती बबीता खन्ना, राजकीय सर्वोदय बाल विद्यालय पश्चिमी विनोद नगर प्रमुख श्री LK दुबे सम्मिलित हुए। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय की निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती माया गुप्ता ने देश के समृद्ध अतीत पर गर्व व्यक्त किया। समापन के दिन भी देशभक्ति से संबंधित अनेक सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम हुए, जिसमें गीत एवं नृत्य प्रस्तुत किए गए तथा प्लासी की लड़ाई पर आधारित एक नाटिका प्रस्तुत की गई, जिसे देख दर्शक भाव विभोर हो गए। राष्ट्रगान के साथ कार्यक्रम का समापन हुआ। आइए अंग्रेजी के समाचार सुनते हैं प्रथम बत्रा से।
The CBSE Class 12th and 10th board result has been a success story for Universal Public School. The school has secured 100% result in the board exam. Personalized attention, proper guidance and motivation have brought desired result in the board exam. 3 students among 411 distinctions secured 100% in maths, computer science and physics. From 12th, the top scorer of school was Akash Kumar, securing 98% in science. In commerce, Chirag Gupta got 94.6% and Ayushi Save and Rishi Batra from humanities scored 86.8%. From class 10th, the overall topper was Krishna Thakur with 96.7%. The subject topper in science was Aditya Kumar with 99%. Gauri Joshi secured 99% in social science. Prachi Juneja with 98% in English. Krishna Thakur secured 98% in mathematics, 97% in Hindi, and the top scorer of IT was Rushil Sharma and Krishna Thakur with 99%. The Sanskrit topper was Dhanesh Bansal with 97%. For French, Tanishka Sahal secured 97%. The Director Principal Ms. Maya Gupta and Principal Ms. Monita Gopal congratulated and appreciated the students, parents and teachers for their sincere efforts. The school organized a counseling session on career choice and goal setting on 25th July 2022 for the students of class 11th. The resource person Mrs. Jyotsna Bhardwaj, Director of Envision India Edu Services, was warmly welcomed by Director Principal Ms. Maya Gupta with planters as a token of gratitude. The resource person Mrs. Jyotsna Bhardwaj addressed the students, providing them with some of the tips and inspired them to go for even some of the unconventional career choices. She also gave the formula for success by illustrating life cases. She made the atmosphere extremely electrifying and involved each and every participant to understand and realize their inherent strength to opt their suited career prospects. Speaking on the occasion, the Director Principal Mrs. Maya Gupta emphasized that class 11th is very crucial and important for the students, and it is necessary to take a right decision for the future at this stage. It is the joint responsibility of teachers as well as parents to provide proper guidance to the students. She also asserted that career choice should be made according to the aptitude of the students. The session received huge appreciation from the participating students, who urged on having such events at regular basis. Overall, it was a very fruitful and learning session for the students. Let's hear from Ritik more updates.
यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस बड़े भव्य रूप में मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर सर्वप्रथम विद्यालय में देश के भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति तथा दूरदर्शी शिक्षक डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के चित्र पर माल्यार्पण करते हुए विद्यालय के प्रधानाचार्य ने राष्ट्र के प्रति उनके योगदानों को याद किया तथा राष्ट्र के निर्माता के रूप में उनको नमन किया। विद्यालय प्रबंधन की ओर से CBSE में विद्यार्थियों द्वारा जिन विषयों में 100% अंक लाए गए, उन विषयों के शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं में जिनमें श्रीमान यशपाल क्वात्रा, श्रीमती शालिनी अब्रोल, श्रीमती उमेश कुमारी को प्रशंसा पत्र, शॉल तथा चेक से सम्मानित किया गया। हिंदी की विभाग अध्यक्ष PGT शिक्षिका डॉक्टर सुमन आनंद भी विद्यालय में अपनी 30 साल की निस्वार्थ सेवा के पश्चात सेवानिवृत्त हुई। इस अवसर पर उनके सम्मान में विद्यालय प्रबंधन की ओर से प्रेम और कृतज्ञता के रूप में कुछ विशिष्ट उपहार और प्रशंसा पत्र दिया गया। एक औपचारिक भोजन के साथ और एक संगीतमय उत्सव के साथ सभी ने इसका आनंद लिया। यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में जन्माष्टमी के पर्व को भी बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया गया। विद्यार्थियों ने रंग बिरंगी पोशाकों में मंत्रमुग्ध कर देने वाले नृत्य प्रस्तुत किए। विद्यालय में आतताइयों का अंत करने वाले भगवान श्री कृष्ण का पूजन हुआ। गीत व भजन गाए तथा भगवान श्री कृष्ण के जीवन पर श्लोक और कविता पाठ किए। निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य ने इस शुभ दिन पर छात्रों को आशीर्वचन कहे और आरती के साथ इस शुभ पर्व का समापन किया गया। अब अंग्रेजी के समाचार सुनते हैं प्रथम के मुख से।
Directorate of Education, Zone 2nd, District East, Shakarpur organized inter-school volleyball tournament for a month for the overall development of the students. It is indeed a proud moment for Universal Public School to be chosen as the venue to host the tournament. The tournament was inaugurated by the esteemed chief guest Dr. Prem Kumar Tyagi, DDE Zone 2nd, on September 1st, 2022. The august gathering comprised of Srimati Jyotsna Minch, convener, Srimati Anamika Singh, SPE Zone 2nd, and Shri Praveen Nagar, Secretary Boys. Speaking on the occasion, the chief guest Dr. Praveen Kumar Tyagi landed the efforts of promoting sports with academics and appreciated the school for taking the initiative. He motivated and blessed the students for their bright future. Director Principal Ms. Maya Gupta felicitated the entire esteemed guest with planters, stole and a bouquet of flowers. Further addressing all the 31 participating schools, she motivated the players, highlighting the importance of sports and sportsmanship. Overall, it was a fruitful experience for all. Universal Public School organized a session on the topic Learning Through Experiments, Robotics, Sensor 3D Printers on August 25, 2022 in the ATL lab of the school for the students of classes 8th to 10th. The resource person, Mr. Subrat Mishra, enlightened the students about AI, robotics, ultrasonic and infrared sensors. In the same line, another workshop by Amrita University was conducted on AI and robotics on September 2nd, 2022. The resource person explained the topic in a very interesting manner, which helped to build curiosity among the students. The students were actively involved and participated enthusiastically in intensive discussion on the topic. Overall, it was a new learning experience for them. Moving on to Ritik for more news.
यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में मातृभाषा हिंदी की गरिमा को सम्मान देते हुए 8 से 14 सितंबर को हिंदी दिवस सप्ताह मनाया गया। विद्यार्थियों द्वारा सप्ताह पर्यंत प्रातःकालीन प्रार्थना सभा हिंदी में ही आयोजित की गई। हिंदी में ही समाचार वाचन और सुविचार बोले गए। इसके अतिरिक्त प्रार्थना सभा में प्रतिदिन वक्तव्य, कविता वाचन, दोहा वाचन आदि द्वारा हिंदी भाषा को सम्मान दिया गया। पूरे सप्ताह अन्य प्रकार की हिंदी संबंधी विभिन्न विधाओं में रचनात्मक गतिविधियां कराई गई। सप्ताह के अंतिम दिन कवि दरबार का आयोजन किया गया, जहां विद्यार्थियों ने प्रसिद्ध कवि कवियत्रियों की वेशभूषा धारण कर उनकी रचनाओं को प्रस्तुत किया। लड़कियों के लिए आत्मरक्षा प्रशिक्षण जीवन का उपहार है। आत्मरक्षा हमें अप्रत्याशित परिस्थितियों के लिए तैयार करने में मदद करती है। यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में भी एक आत्मरक्षा प्रशिक्षण शिविर लगाया गया, जहां यहां की छात्राओं को आत्मरक्षा संबंधी कौशलों के मूल बातों और तरीकों का परीक्षण दिया गया, ताकि भविष्य में वे किसी अप्रत्याशित स्थिति में स्वयं घिरने पर स्वयं की सुरक्षा कर सकें। आगे के अंग्रेजी के समाचार के लिए चलते हैं प्रथम के पास।
It is a proud moment for the school as one of the teachers, Associate NCC Officer Kavita Verma, underwent the NCC Refresher Army Training Junior Wing 63 from 5th July 2022 to 24th July 2022 at Officers Training Academy, Gwalior. She underwent the rigorous training upholding the defense services work ethics, that is hard work, sincerity of purpose, secular outlook, spirit of adventure and patriotism, discipline and ideals of selfless services. There were sessions conducted by various top brass interdisciplinary fields like topographic defense map reading, drill squad test, X-Shakti, weapon training, Agniveer scheme, specialized army subjects, etc. The school is proud to share that she got an Alpha grade out of 117 trainees and was also awarded with the prestigious Certificate of Excellence in Firing. CBSE organized an enriching and interactive workshop on financial literacy and use of digital tools on 23rd September 2022 in the school premises. The objective of the workshop was to create awareness about financial planning such as budgeting, investing and to equip with basic financial knowledge on tax planning. The resource person, Mr. Ram Kumar Gupta, gave an insight and sensitized the staff members on the basic financial planning so that they can stay updated to plan their future in a better way. He laid importance on financial literacy and the use of digital tools to manage our money effectively. The teachers of various schools as well as host school participated with zest and zeal. The participants, through many activities related to financial literacy, were taught to arrange their finances efficiently in future. Overall, it was an enriching experience to the educators. On the occasion of International Literacy Day, the school observed various activities in the morning assembly to give an insight on the fact that literacy is a human right and the basis of all knowledge. To mark this day, students projected their viewpoint in the form of slogans on literacy, giving emphasis on education as the foundation stone to build a more sustainable future for all. Through their speech, they insisted on the need to educate more and more people so that the world can begin its journey towards a better tomorrow. For further news, let's move on to Ritik.
यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में 20 जुलाई 2022 को श्रीमती सपना शर्मा तथा श्रीमती आरती भाटिया के मार्गदर्शन में सिंगल यूज़ प्लास्टिक विषय पर कक्षा 9वीं से 11वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों ने एक नुक्कड़ नाटक का आयोजन किया। इस नाटक के माध्यम से स्कूली बच्चों द्वारा जन जागरण तक प्लास्टिक के न्यूनतम उपयोग का संदेश पहुंचाना था। आगे के अंग्रेजी के समाचार के लिए चलते हैं प्रथम की ओर।
राष्ट्र पोषण माह was celebrated at Universal Public School on 14 to 15 September 2022 in the school premises under the theme of Mahila and Swasthya and Bachcha and Shiksha. The event began with a simple but effective speech about the importance of health, nutrition and their effects on our life. Students from class 6 to 12th highlighted the impact of right nutrition on health, especially on women and child. Several problems and issues created by malnutrition were highlighted through the speeches. The students of class 6th and 7th were made to understand the importance of food on our health. Various activities were organized for the students like poster making, debate, etc. The students actively participated in all the activities and enjoyed it. We hope you will keep in touch. Till then, signing off, your host for today, Pratham and Ritik. Goodbye.
नमस्कार।